Technical explanation of the mechanical parts of the engine. The valve cover houses the connection that delivers electrical power from the spark plug to the engine. There are two on either side of the engine because it is a twin-spark engine, which is located on the other side of the engine block.
This is the oil dipstick tube, where oil is poured in using a funnel. The sight glass indicates the engine oil level, with the lower line marking the minimum and the upper line marking the maximum oil level. This part of the engine is called the oil pan, or crankcase, which supplies oil to the pistons and other components.
The part you are referring to is the clutch lever. When you pull this lever, it disengages the clutch plate, temporarily disconnecting the engine from the transmission. This allows you to shift gears without transmitting power to the rear wheel. The cable attached to the lever is the clutch cable, which mechanically links the lever to the clutch mechanism inside the engine.
The rear sprocket is the gear attached to the back wheel, often called the sun gear. It receives power from the front sprocket through the chain, transmitting that power to the rear wheel to propel the motorcycle forward. The rear swing arm is the part connected to the motorcycle frame. It holds the rear wheel and is connected to the frame via a gas shock absorber, which is considered the best type of suspension. This shock absorber links the swing arm and the frame, providing smooth movement and absorbing shocks while riding.
The upper part is called the brake caliper, and brake fluid is filled inside the reservoir on top. Since it is a disc brake system, the brake fluid is sent from the reservoir to the brake caliper, enabling effective braking. The engine's exhaust port is the outlet that directs air from inside the cylinder head into the cylinder, and then to the engine's exhaust system. How to shift gears on a motorcycle.
This is the speedometer cable connected to the front wheel, which transmits the speed to the speedometer dial as the front wheel rotates.